हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्ट्रेस क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस टू के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इंटीग्रल इज गोइंग ऑन एंड फॉर दिस न्यू सेशन आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 7.3 and in the last session I have given all videos. You can see that also. Subscribe the channel and then you will get the link of the last videos. That click on that link, you can watch every video last year from chapter 1 to chapter 7, each and every questions of the NCERT book. Okay, each and every exercise and questions you can see the solution, NCERT solution, and the concept, each concept clearly explained. You will get the knowledge of the every concept. You will get how, why, and what every concept. So now this year started again forward from exercise 7.3 onward. Today exercise 7.5 and lecture on this integral, lecture number 9 this session. Lecture number 9. And question 5 to 10. Exercise 7.5 NCERT. Now question 5 is find the integral of the rational function 2x upon x square plus 3x plus 2. Rational function by partial fraction. So partial fraction. I told how many partial fraction, types of partial fraction? 5. I told that in the last video. Now here we have to use in these questions. So now here it is like that, linear upon quantity. We can write this partial fraction 2x upon x square plus 3x plus 2. We can make vector. Okay, 2x plus 1x. We can write this 2x upon x square plus 2x plus 1x, splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. This we can write 2x upon common x plus 2 only factorize, you know, plus 1 common x plus 2. Then these two factors of the denominator x plus 2 and x plus 1. Okay, clear? What is this partial of this? This we can write but 2x upon direct you write a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. This partial. Okay, equate both sides and simplify. This implies ax plus bx. एक्शन लेकर सॉल्व किया and plus 2a and plus b. Then upon factor side by side, compare this and this, then 2x is equal to x a plus b plus 2a plus b. Compare at coefficient of x both side and constant. Comparing the coefficient of x both side equating and the constant also. So here coefficient of x a plus b, right hand side, and left hand side coefficient of x is 2. Both are equal, and constant term 2a plus b is equal to here constant plus 0. So it is 0. Now here a value equal to 2 minus b. Substitute here 2 into a, 2 minus b, 2a plus b is equal to 0. Simplify to the power minus 2b plus b equal 0. Then b equal to 4. Minus b plus 4 0. B is equal to 4. Then a equal to 2 minus b 4. Then this minus a minus 2 b 4. Okay, beta. Then question will give into two integral. One integral a upon दूसरा b upon a minus 2 dx upon, okay, what x plus 1. Second integral plus b 4 plus b upon integral upon x plus 2. Okay, then integral this minus 2 out, log of x plus 1. Anti-derivative formula. Okay, clear? Plus 4 into log of x plus 2. Plus integral. This is your answer. Okay. So like this, easy partial fraction. Next question. Next question. Question number 6. 1 minus x square upon x into 1 minus 2x. This is a rational function. So this is quadratic. So quadratic both. So then in same degree polynomial in numerator denominator of a rational function. Then divide first. Then divide. So means here 1 minus x square divided by 2x minus 2x square. Here highest power minus x square, here minus 2x square. Means इसको भी minus x square, it means divide by 2 and 1 upon 2 into minus 2x square, इसे कैंसिल minus x square. as it is हमें चाहिए highest power को सेम बनाना है, ठीक. And after that here half into x, half x काम, तो half x काम का जाएगा यहाँ पर plus x by 2. Okay. Now after that, what you have to do? Subtract, sign change, plus minus. Cancel, then minus x by 2 plus 1. This left, this linear, this is quadratic. So this is the remainder. This is remainder. Okay. So here quotient plus, देखो we can write 1 minus x square. What we can write 1 minus x square? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. ठीक है. और this divided quotient can be expressed the half whole this upon this, remainder upon divisor. So quotient plus remainder upon divisor we can write the half whole, half plus remainder minus 1 minus x by 2, remainder divided by divisor. Divisor is two factors. Divisor two factors, x into 1 minus 2x. X into 1 minus 2x. Divisor. Okay. So this is important. Okay. Can we return this? Okay. So now integral of 1 minus x square into x into 1 minus 2x dx. So wait, solution. Then this then gets the integral of dx upon x into 1 minus 2x. Okay. This quotient plus remainder for this integral. Okay. This not here. Half into half dx plus integral of 1 minus x upon 2 dx divided by x into 1 minus 2x. How can you partial of this? Partial. You can what is the partial of this? A upon x plus b upon 1 minus 2x. These two factors. And simplify, what will be x into 1 minus 2x, then a minus 2ax plus dx. Okay, this is your question is, then this implies what? Numerator 1 minus x by 2 is equal x common minus 2a plus this 2 terms x common and plus a this. Okay. Now comparing coefficient of x minus half, coefficient of x this minus 2a plus b is equal to minus 1 upon 2. and constant are a is equal to 1. Comparing the equating the coefficient of x and the constant term. Constant term a and here plus 1. A equal to 1. And coefficient of x minus 2a plus b and here minus half. So a is 1 to here. So minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus b equal to minus half. Then b equal plus 2 minus half. 2 minus half, 1 and half. 3 by 2. So b is this. To b both values. So question will use integral of half dx, half constant and x. 1 dx का integral x plus this can be written, okay, but a upon x plus b upon this, two factors. A upon a value 1, so 1 upon x plus b value 3 by 2 plus b upon 1 minus 2x. This, now this x by 2, important question is, okay, and this integral of 1 upon x, log x, antiderivative plus 3 by 2, integral of this log of 1 minus 2x divided by minus 2. Derivative of 1 minus 2x is minus 2. Plus the constant. Then it will be x by 2 plus log x and minus plus minus 3 by 2 plus 4 log of 1 minus 2 plus 4. This is your answer. Important question. Okay? You can do very easy. Next question. Next question. Question number 7. Find the integral of x upon x square plus 1 into x मान। तो नीचे क्यूबिक बन गया एंड इसमें क्वाड्रेटिक है और इसके फैक्टर पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो इसमें पार्शियल बनेगा a अपॉन लीनियर एंड प्लस bx प्लस c अपॉन क्वाड्रेटिक। अगर फैक्टर क्वाड्रेटिक है उसके फैक्टर पॉसिबल नहीं है, ठीक है, देन bx plus c, last partial, fifth partial I told you. So this is the partial used for this. Then it will be denominator LCM cancel both sides. Then what will be x equal ax square plus a plus bx square bx की मत minus bx plus cx minus c. This. So now here compare x square coefficient, take together a plus b into x square. Okay, clear? After that x, these two plus x common in these minus b plus c. ये दो टर्म हो गई, ये हो गई कांस्टेंट प्लस a माइनस these are constant, this coefficient of x, coefficient of x square equating then coefficient of x square 0, a plus b, here 0 plus 0 है, x square coefficient, a plus b equal to 0. Second, coefficient of x here 1 and here minus b plus c. Okay, and then constant here 0, a minus c equal to 0. तो यहाँ से a is equal to c. तो c की वैल्यू भी एक कर दो, यहाँ से एक कर दो, माइनस b प्लस c, c means a is equal to 1. Then इसके साथ सॉल्व कर दो, a plus b equal 0, this minus b plus a is equal to 1. Solve out, minus b plus b cancel, 2a equal to 1. Then this implies a is equal to half. A is equal to half, then b equal to b equal to a minus 1. A minus 1 equal a half minus 1, then minus half. This is value of b, and now c is equal to a half. So these values we have to put a and c half and b minus half. So this question will reduce into two integrals, integral of a upon x minus 1. A value half, so half dx upon x minus 1 plus b x plus c dx plus c, b minus half, so minus half x dx plus c is half. This upon x square plus 1 dx. Okay. Now again this, how can do this quadratic in linear, the derivative of this a equal to we have to take this, okay? Then again, what is the integral of this? We can put half log of x minus 1 plus इसके अगेन पार्शियल, कैसे, न्यूमरेटर minus x by 2 plus half is equal to a into derivative of x square plus 1 plus b. Then derivative of this 2x, so 2ax and plus 0. Derivative of 1 0, so a 0 0 and plus b. Okay. Then comparing coefficient only constant terms, comparing now coefficient of x 2a both sides, coefficient of x 2a, here coefficient of x minus half, then a equal to divide by 2, then minus 1 upon 4. Then constant term b is equal to half. Now divide into two integrals, then हाफ लोग इसको रूट में लिख सकते हैं. We can write log of square root x minus 1 and plus integral of this a into a value is minus 1 by 4. We can write minus 1 by 4 integral of dx 2a derivative of this a into derivative of this is derivative of this 2x, then divide by 2x divided by this a derivative of this 2a, then this a into derivative of this divided by denominator is x square plus 1, and second we can write plus b is half integral dx upon x square plus 1. Now this log of root x minus 1 minus 1 upon 4, ये यानी log of इसका डेरिवेटिव ऊपर रखा है तो log of x square plus 1, okay, and plus log of ये हाफ पावर में चला जाएगा, ठीक है, log of x square plus 1 and half out तो n log n power n, तो पावर हाफ हो जाएगी, पावर हाफ मींस root x square plus 1 and plus constant. तो ये दोनों सेम है, ये दोनों इकट्ठे लिखे जा सकते हैं. क्या लिखा जा सकता है? log of m plus n, तो रूट में log m plus n log m into n log x minus 1 into root x square plus 1 and minus 1 upon 4 log x square plus 1 log x square plus 1 plus 3. This is the answer, okay? So we can do this. Next question. Yes, next question, question number 8, similar as question 7. So 8 you can do similar as question 7. Now question number 9, 3x plus 5 upon x2 minus x square minus x plus 1. ये क्यूबिक है, फैक्टर कर ले, ओके, 3x plus 5 upon x square common x minus 1 and here common minus 1 common then x minus 1 sign change minus 1, then this partial after that dx plus 5 upon 2 factor x square minus 1 Okay, and x minus it can be written 3x plus 5 upon x minus 1 and x plus 1 a plus b into a minus b a square minus b square दो वेक्टर and x minus 1 ये तो x minus 1 और ये तो इसके पार्शियल क्या हो सकते हैं पार्शियल ऑफ दिस a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 and plus c upon x minus 1 whole square. This partial of important. Okay, now simplify. LCM इधर इधर सेम आएगा ठीक है ओके x minus 1 होल स्क्वायर into x plus 1 LCM कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो न्यूमरेटर 3x plus 5 will be equal LCM say x plus 1 cancel x minus 1 whole square into a ax square whole square open करना हूँ a square into x ax square plus a into 1 square 1 minus 2 ax whole square open होगा minus 2x into a done after that b x minus 1 एक फैक्टर कैंसिल तो एक x minus 1 x plus 1 यानी फिर वही x square minus 1 बचेगा x square minus 1 into b तो bx square bx square हमने ये क्या किसकी वैल्यू आएगी x minus 1 कैंसिल होगा इससे एलसीएम से x minus 1 कैंसिल एलसीएम से x minus 1 कैंसिल ये बचेगा तो bx square minus b ओके x square minus 1 बचेगा b की मल्टीप्लाई minus b now plus c x minus 1 whole square should cancel then x plus 1 into c so plus c x plus c now comparing coefficient of x square coefficient they are 0 then a plus b equal 0 1 second coefficient of x this term coefficient of x and here 3 then minus 2a and plus c is equal to 3 and next constant term 5 and here constant term plus a plus b and minus b so a minus b plus a minus b plus c equal constant term here plus 5 is equal to 5 okay understand first and third you can solve let this is first let this is third this is second so first and third solving जहाँ ऐड कर दिया तो माइनस b प्लस c कैंसिल 2a एंड क्या बना 2a minus b plus b cancel plus c is equal to 0 plus 5 and third equation third है second equation minus 2a plus c is equal to 3 दोनों सॉल्व किया ऐड किया लेकिन ऐड ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, ठीक है, इस रिजल्ट के साथ ये बन गया आपका 2c is equal to 8 then c is equal to 4, c वैल्यू आ गई 4, ओके, then c 4 है तो a कितना हो गया 2a plus 3 equal to 5, c 4, so 2a equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 upon 2, a c आ गया, b equal to minus a, b equal to minus a, okay, b equal to minus a equal to minus r. All values here, and this integral will reduce into the three integral. First integral of a is half dx upon x plus 1 plus b minus half, then minus half integral of dx upon x minus 1. C is equal to 4, then plus c means 4 upon x minus 1 whole square. Now this half log of x plus 1 minus half log of x minus plus 4 plus 4, फिर इसका होल स्क्वायर है, फिर दो सेम फैक्टर है, फिर a अपॉन x मान अपॉन b अपॉन x मान होल स्क्वायर, फिर ये x मान अपॉन होल स्क्वायर सेम आएगा, फिर सॉल्व होगा, क्या बना है 4 इंटीग्रल dx अपॉन a स्क्वायर plus bx a square plus b square minus 2 x minus 1 whole. Then this half minus half the common log of m upon n x plus 1 upon x minus 1 by formula log m minus log n, half common log m minus log n, log m upon n done, plus this quadratic coefficient middle term is minus 2 divided by 2 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बना, ठीक है, ओके, this 20x minus 1 whole square, okay, and plus 0, a is 0, so if you want to write what is that, for integral of dx upon here it is x minus 1 whole square and plus by minus 1 and we have add whole square 1 and subtract 1, add 1, okay, subtract 1, then okay, it is already this, add 1, use again and subtract 1, minus 1, देखो 2 1 जा तो minus 1, whole square, add 1 and subtract 1, add 1 subtract 1 की जरूरत नहीं, add 1 subtract 1 add 1 है ही already, subtract 1 की जरूरत ही नहीं, और plus 0 a is 0, then again इसमें फॉर्मूला लगाओ x square plus a square, तो tan इनवर्स वाला है, तो क्या बनेगा 4 into tan इनवर्स x upon a, x minus 1 upon a 0 plus this and this side, okay, plus 4 tan inverse this x minus 1 upon 0, so denominator is not defined, tan inverse infinity I by 2, tan inverse infinity, tan inverse infinity की वैल्यू देखो tan pi by 2 infinity होता है, तो means pi by 2 this, then half log of x plus 1 upon x minus 1 plus 4 into plus इंटीग्रल कांस्टेंट, एक कांस्टेंट में चला गया, तो हाफ log of x plus 1 upon x minus 1 this plus c1 plus c and this c, ये कांस्टेंट होगा, दिस इज कांस्टेंट, तो कांस्टेंट प्लस कांस्टेंट कांस्टेंट, डन, आंसर डन, ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डन, ओके, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them, they must like, share and subscribe the channel and send the feedback in the comment box, thank you.